Thank you.
All right, let's look at what's happening in the crypto world there. We see Bitcoin struggling below the 45,000 resistance against the US dollar. BTC must stay above $43,180 to avoid a sharp decline in the near term. Let's look at the market cap there. We have $1.90 trillion, down about 4.53%. Volume traded, $77.13 billion. It's up about 1.85%. Bitcoin dominance, 41.58%. Let's see, look at the price of Bitcoin, $43,815. It's down about 0.47%, $20.25 billion traded in Bitcoin. Price of Ethereum, there we see $3,090. It's down 1.47%. We see the market is still looking for direction this morning. Let's bring in Bjorn Martens right then, our CEO, Passive Income Token. Hello, Bjorn.
Hey, Lali. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so I see CryptoPunks is in the news. I hear the community reacting to the ongoing copyright battle between V1 and V2 CryptoPunks. Can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, of course. So yeah, I like the battle scene going on. For me, it's honestly kind of been a little bit clear. Version 1 is wrapped to version 2, so everybody that owned a version 1 CryptoPunk automatically got airdropped to version 2, or could change it to a version 2 CryptoPunk. So with this, you will be owner of version 1 and version 2. If you decide to sell a version 1, you can sell it, and there also needs to be a buyer. So if you don't do your own research and you will buy version 1 for someone, it's not eligible for the version 2, as they already received the version 2. But the labs, Larva Labs, really have said version 1 is not safe anymore. There's an exploit, so we need to move over to the version 2. So for my clarity, it's definitely going to be version 2 that's going to be having a value. It's really controversial that they have sold 210 Ethereum worth of the version 1 CryptoPunks. But yeah, there also still again needs to be a buyer on the other side. And if you are, sorry, I'm going to say it too, not clever enough.
So if I bought V1, what happens to me?
If you buy V1 and there are other people in the world that see the value behind V1, there's no issue. At the moment, V1 really dropped in value, as V2 is a new one that really has the back of Larva Labs. So if you buy version 1, there's a high risk of decrease in value. But lately, the community itself starts supporting the version 1. So now again, you have a chance because Larva Labs doesn't control it anymore, and the community itself will put up the price.
All right, so another bullish news I saw today, I saw the New York Stock Exchange had filed a trademark application for trading NFTs, and this is the world's largest stock exchange. You know, it may be planning, you know, to bring a business to the metaverse like other massive companies we're seeing out there.
Yes, I'm really happy, honestly, to see this happen, as they really want to have their name already secured, their certain trademark already be ready, basically, for when they're going to take a step into this metaverse and crypto space. And taking these steps, you see that the real big boys are now stepping into the space, and it really gives another level of verification that crypto is here to stay and to develop and to grow a lot in the future.
But Bjorn, do you really see, you know, the metaverse actually, you know, bringing value to most of these companies?
Yeah, so there is a whole new world created inside of the metaverse. There's a lot of activity in these worlds. So for example, for these worlds to be active in Decentraland, there's a lot of marketing, basically, awareness. They're getting seen. And well, we, the younger people or the new people, we all go in the metaverse, and we love to hang around there and do our thing around there, as we are so used with this technology. And yeah, seeing these big people coming in there is just amazing. And they also need to have us as future clients, of course. So they need to go with the status quo, with what is in these days. And the metaverse is going to be the future. We have all seen the movie Ready Player One. And I think we all want to be part of it.
Right. So now we've had a play to earn. We've had the metaverse, you know, still moving strong right now. What is the next trend, and how do you get in early?
The next trend definitely, play to earn just started. Metaverse has been around a little bit, but there are no real huge projects yet that really got created as the cost of creating a game, metaverse, are really high, and it's very complicated. It's a whole lot different than creating certain simple tokens, etc. So the beautiful thing about the play-to-earn metaverse concept is that it's not exaggerated. So the market stays very healthy in these kind of levels, and when there are certain play-to-earn metaverse projects, I'm sure in 2022 they're going to be the one to look out for.
Right. All right. Bjorn, I know I'm sure you've been, tracking Bitcoin for a couple of days now. Bitcoin has not given us a direction. We don't know if it's going up or down, but it's been playing around that 41,000 to 45,000 level. What are your expectations for Bitcoin in the short term?
No, so we've been lately as well looking. We have the TV hanging up here with Bitcoin prices all the time, and I also do my research and technical analysis. And honestly, yesterday we broke the bearish line since roughly 4 months, and we finally came in a kind of in a situation where we don't know where Bitcoin is going. But as we can see, the period we have been in a bull run and the market has been growing is so much more longer than we've seen in 2017. So I honestly think the market has changed a lot. Really got more experience, it's aged, why we won't see a huge crash anymore, and Bitcoin is going to grow more steadily, where the big boys are coming in and steadily stepping in, as well as you've seen Warren Buffett investing 2 days ago inside of Bitcoin, with him always being against Bitcoin, and now also decided to step in, as he doesn't want to go with the hype, but he sees the hype stopped and the stability in Bitcoin has been created. And
it's quite interesting.
Using it really gives it now.
Quite interesting, because the market has changed, from 2017. I guess at some point this market is going to mature, and we might not see as much wild swings as we do see, now in the market. All right, Bjorn Matters, it was great talking to you today. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, Ladi. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. All right, let's look at the top odds by market cap. There we see BNB $424 is down about 1.19%. We're seeing, lean losses, around the market with the big caps. Right now we see, look to the top 5 again. We see a rally there. One of the new entries to the top 100 is 33 cents. It's trading at it's up about 10.12%. Dash, one of the OGs in the market from about way before 2017, is trading at $116. Not seen that one on the top gainers for a while now. We see Nexo there, $2.26, up 5.77%. Waves, $10.86. Let's look at the top losers. See Gala there, topping that count, is down about 5.48%. And we see Axie Infinity and Sandbox there, down about 4.67%. So it's not looking so bad, but it's not fair right now. The market is quite neutral, which is good for most traders.